What's up, guys? Back at y'all with another unboxing video, the third one on my channel. And today we're gonna be unboxing this backpack I picked up off ASOS.com. It's this backpack. I picked it up for $40. Link in the description. Alright, let's see what we have, what we're working with. Kind of hard to open. Alright, here it is. Okay. The Adidas Originals backpack, so yeah. Here it is. The backpack I ordered. It took about 2 weeks to come in, by the way. So yeah, the wrapping, pretty good packaging too. I like it. It's nice and easy. Backpack is good size. See how many zippers it has. So one zipper here. It's not too small. And then one big zipper here with a lot of space. You can actually fit a laptop back here if you wanted to. So yeah, here's everything. Whatever sizes and stuff about the backpack. So yeah, that'll be the video. That's all. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch y'all next time.